Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to cancel a payment on Cash App that has already been completed. Let's get started. First, open the Cash App on your phone. Once you're inside, look at the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Tap on your profile icon or the clock icon, depending on your version of the app. This will take you to your activity or transaction history. Here, you'll see a list of all the recent payments and transactions you've made. Scroll through until you find the one you'd like to cancel. If the option is available, simply tap and hold on the transaction. You should see an option labeled Cancel. Tap on that and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the cancellation. Now please note, sometimes, especially if the payment was sent directly to another user and shows as completed, you may not see the option to cancel it. In that case, here's what you should do. Go back to the top right-hand corner of the app and scroll down until you see the Support option. Tap on Support. From there, scroll all the way to the bottom where you'll find an option to start a chat. Tap on Chat. Type a message to Cash App support letting them know that you need help cancelling a payment. Be sure to include details like the amount, the date, and who the payment was sent to. Cash App support will usually get back to you shortly and let you know what can be done in your situation. Unfortunately, I don't have any live transactions to show you in real time, but these are the steps you would take if you ever need to cancel a completed payment. And that's how you cancel a payment on Cash App after it's been sent.